Use the word book as a verb in sentences for class 1 to 5. For class 1, I book a seat in the bus. Here, the word book has been used as a verb because it has subject I and object a seat. In the bus is the adverbial adverbial which is modifying the word book. Here the meaning of the word book is reserve. I book a seat in the bus means I reserve a seat. She books her favorite toy every morning. Here book means shoes. She books her favorite toy every morning. We book a table for lunch means we reserve it. He books a ticket to the zoo. Here book means buy. They book the doctor's appointment. Here book means schedule. For class 2, I book my ticket online means I reserve or buy a ticket. She books a room for the party means she reserve it. We book a cab to the market means we reserve a taxi. He books his seat in the movie theater. They book their flights for the holidays. For class 3, I book a ticket for the train. Here book means purchase. She books a table at the restaurant. She reserves it. We book our trips in advance. He books the tickets for the concert. They book a hotel for their stay. For class 4, I book a place for the school trip. She books the library. She books the library room for the event. We book a spot in the swimming pool. He books his lessons for next week. They book their flights early to save money. For class 5, I book a meeting with my teacher every week. Means here book means schedule. She books a conference call for her team. We book tickets months in advance for the concert. He books a flight to New York for his vacation. They book a guided tour for their trip to museum. I booked the theater tickets online for the weekend show.